Welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this tutorial, I want to share how we can control a proximity sensor with 12V relay. So I have one proximity sensor which is for distance, object detection, and the part numbers you can check on the internet here. KL-GM 18-3M30N1, and this is NPN proximity sensor. And here the range will be 10 to 30 cm, so that means 10 to 30 cm is a quite wide range. You can that is 30 cm, so it's a quite distance, quite far. And the working voltage, we need to make sure that the working voltage is 10 to 30 voltage. And here 10 to 30 cm is the distance, and the working voltage is 10 to 30 volt DC. And here's 3 wire and a brown. So what we can check is from here, that is BN is a brown is positive, and BK is black is a signal here, and a BU is blue, so blue is negative. And of course this is NPN and normally open, that is NO. So whenever you use or you going to use a sensor, we have to make sure to identify what kind of sensor we're going to use, and where's the voltage, and where is the type, NPN or PNP, and of course where's the voltage and where's the range and which type. And that's all the specification, very important. So these will work between 10 to 30 voltage. So I have a 12V power supply, and that definitely will work for here. And I will use for output, I will use 12V relay. So 12V relay, a relay, we need to make sure that your relay is 12V because we're using 12V power supply and 12V proximity sensor. And here's 12V, and this is the A pin, and the output you can use either is 12V or 240V. I'm going to use 240V right here, and this is the base. I put into the base of the relay here, and make sure that we turn off the switch first for safety. And the brown is positive, so the positive we comes from here. Positive, we're going to get the positive from this 12V here. So positive we connect to brown here, that is positive, and negative we connect to the negative here. So positive to positive, negative to negative, and from this signal, the signal we goes to 12V relay. So 12V relay, I'm going to connect here, that is the input. So the input we need to check from here, pin number 13, pin number 14, that is the input. So negative, sorry, that signal we connect to relay input 1, and from the relay positive, power supply positive here, and from power supply positive here, we need to connect to a relay input 1. So this relay required to have positive and negative, and this will work. And this sensor required to have positive and negative, and this will work. But we are having here 12V positive comes to a relay, so here 12V positive comes to sensor positive, 12V negative, sensor negative, and sensor signal will goes to a relay negative, and 12V positive will goes to relay positive. And here is the output, and the output we control live, neutral cable, live, neutral, and ground. So live and neutral, the live we goes and into the common, and neutral directly connect to output, and the live we out back from normally open here. And so let us try to turn on the power. Okay, I will turn on the power, and here this is not inductive, this is a distance, so any object this will detect. So let me range. So this will detect any object, so that will be up to 30 cm. You know, that is 30 cm. You know, that is here, around here. Yeah, there was my mistake. And 30 cm is around here. So this, regardless of any object, so here 30 cm. Oh, here, sorry. So this sensor is very accurate, but we can't have any display right here because we don't have any things to program. So if you want to have display, we're gonna use Arduino or any microcontroller to program to have the output for display. So this is a very simple way to control a proximity sensor. So this is the way how we can control. So I hope this video will help for someone, and if you think this video is helpful for your project, and please help me to support, like and share, and you can ask anything in the comment below. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.